Makkah is now fully Muslim. There's not a single idol in sight. The Prophet enters into the masjid from the same door he used to enter before he moved from Makkah. When it was filled with idols and the Muslims were being bullied and harassed, everybody is worshipping only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He made his way to the black stone. Some of the narrations mention the Prophet kissed the black stone, and the Sahaba, they saw tears in his eyes. Tears of joy, perhaps, of a mission accomplished, of a pure and clean Kaaba where Allah is being worshipped, what it was intended to be. And then he started to make his tawaf 7 times around the Kaaba. He prayed 2 rak'at towards the maqam of Ibrahim, and then he made his way, after drinking Zamzam water, to the Mount Safa. And when he climbed the Safa, he recited the ayah, Inna as-Safa wal-Marwata min sha'airillah. And then he faced the Kaaba and he made the dhikr, La ilaha illallah, wahdahu la sharika lah, the famous dhikr that you all know. And then he said, La ilaha illallah wahdah. Indeed, none has the right to be worshipped except Allah alone. Sadaqa wa'dah. He fulfilled his promise. We say this now, but I want you to think about the Prophet saying this. Sadaqa wa'dah. Allah fulfilled his promise. What was the promise? That the deen of Allah will be high. وَلَوْ كَرِهَ الْمُشْرِكُونَ. Even if the mushrikun hated. نَصَرَ عَبْدَهُ. He has made his servant victorious. وَأَعَزَّ جُنْدَهُ. He honored and dignified his soldiers. وَهَزَمَ الْأَحْزَابَ وَحْدَهُ. Allah defeated the groups and the coalitions against Islam alone. How befitting to say that in Mecca, after it was liberated by the Prophet and his companions. Then he went down from the mount and he ran through the valley up to Marwa, same thing, back and forth. Around this time, the people in Mecca, they started to gather children, women folk, people that are not doing Hajj to see the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Everybody, and it became very busy. People are seeing Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam do the sa'i. The Prophet realized that people are literally trying to squeeze to see the Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So what did he do? He stopped. He called for his camel. He climbed his camel and he finished his sa'i just for the people to get a better view. But we learn a lesson from this as well. What lesson is that? That you're allowed to do the sa'i what? Riding. And if you go to the haram now, those that are elderly, those that cannot do it, they use those cars. You learn from this, it's allowed to do the sa'i while riding. And we know that he did the tawaf with a camel as well for the umrah that he did after the year of Sulh al-Hudaybiyah. The Prophet ﷺ did that, and then he went and he cut his hair. He did umrah. ألا بذكر الله تطمئن القلوب